Pack dynamic could be very complex. You have Power here. He's just picked up a scent and he knows that there's a female that's actually coming into heat. Then there's Kadabra, our alpha female. She stands by nearby and keeps an eye on the entire pack. This boy Ocho, he hasn't figured out where he belongs in the pack just yet. So he does what all puppies do. They copy what all the older dogs are doing in a very exuberant way. Sometimes little Ocho just gets up and starts running over people and running everywhere. And that gets Kadabra going, as she likes to tone down that type of energy. Lil Ocho's grandma, Aruba, watches on as she knows this is a process he must go through. You can see Mocha, a subordinate female to the alpha, trying to put him in his place. Then there's Power. All he's interested in is mating. He's checking all the females out to see who's in heat. He's marking turf. And he's making sure that he checks every single female out, not just the one he already knows that's in heat. Lil Ocho is about to learn a lesson about Cali's stick. Don't touch it. As I've said before, Kadabra doesn't like high energy in her pack. She goes after it to extinguish it. Right now, Chanel starting up the high energy, and Kadabra's going to make sure that she puts her in her place. Now, I never said it would be easy, but once done, they're worn down for a bit. We could always see in the background Power still sniffing up, trying to do what he does best. Now, this is what I mean about playing and there being hierarchy and hierarchy in play. Right now, Callie just checks the alpha female, letting her know she's no longer playing. She's now serious. You can see the hair in her back raised up. However, she's not being aggressive. She's just showing teeth to let him know she doesn't want to play. She then lets Chanel know and turns right back around and lets Venus know. And lastly, she's going to go straight again at the alpha female. She's letting her know she doesn't want none of it. Lil Ocho learns real fast to stay away from the action. And just like that, as I was getting ready to call the dogs in, as the afternoon was winding down, Lil Ocho didn't know it, but he was about to learn the most valuable lesson of the day. You see, Lil Ocho can only be taught by an alpha male how to be an alpha male. So here's Power checking the females out the best way he knows how, and here's Lil Ocho following suit and learning. as the day is winding down. Kadabra just likes to be alone so she can relax and actually look at her pack from far away. She doesn't ask for much. All she asks is to keep the energy low and no high energy. That's about it. And as soon as I say that, well, you already know Chanel. As soon as the run is done, Kadabra checks Rio. Even though Kadabra's tail's not up high, Rio's wagging her tail as a sign of being submissive. Lil Ocho walking around with newfound confidence as he's learned quite a bit for the day. Chanel's finally tired out and relaxing. Athena, on the other hand, finally got her stick all to herself. And as soon as I get the camera too close to her, she pretty much grabs the stick and heads in a different direction. In the background, we have Callie just collecting rays. Here we have a video of her earlier in the afternoon with 305. Thinking about mating these two when it's time? Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Let us know if you like these documentary style videos, and go ahead and click on either one of these two videos above to watch the next one. Yeah, big boy.